Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the Koho's most underrated but super useful features, the Koho's virtual card. If you shop online or care about protecting your financial info, this feature is a total game changer. In this video, I'll show you how Koho's virtual card works, how to use it, and why it's a safer way to pay online. First thing first, what is a virtual card? Think of it as a digital version of your Koho card that's used for online purchases only. But here's the cool part. Instead of using your real card number, Koho gives you a completely different 16-digit card number along with a unique expiry date and CVC. That means you can make online purchases without ever exposing your real card number. Pretty sleek, right? Using Koho's virtual cards adds an extra layer of security and privacy. Let's say the website you bought something from get hacked. If you used your virtual card, your actual Koho card info is never exposed. That means no need to cancel your physical card or worry about someone draining your account. So how to use Koho's virtual card? Open the Koho app, tap on cards, select your virtual card. You will see your unique card number, expiry date and CVC. Use this info just like a regular card when you are checking out online. Now you are good to go. The money will come from your regular Koho balance, so there's no extra steps to delay. The Koho virtual card is different from your physical card in a few key ways. It's only for online or over the phone purchases. It has a different card number than your physical card. If it ever gets compromised, you can generate a new one without replacing your physical card. It gives you peace of mind for those sketchy online stores or one-time purchases. While Koho offers one standard virtual card, it's good to know that other platforms and banks may offer different types. Before you go wild online shopping with your virtual card, here are a few quick tips. Still be cautious. Only shop on secure websites. Don't share your virtual card info unless it's necessary. If you suspect any suspicious activity, reach out to Koho support. They have got your back. Want even more security? Pair your Koho virtual card with Apple Pay or Google Pay for double protection. And that's how to use Koho's virtual card like a pro. It's fast, secure and must have if you are doing any kind of online shopping.